Hello, my name is Sabrina and I will be recording my colostomy care video for BSN 206. So first off, I will start by knocking on the patient's door. I will verify the patient's name and date of birth, and then I will close the curtain or door behind me for patient privacy, and I will perform hand hygiene. Hello, Ms. Smith. My name is Sabrina. I'm going to be doing your colostomy care today. I will be removing your old bag and putting a new bag on for you. Do you have any questions before we get started? No? Okay, perfect. So first things first is I'm going to put some clean gloves on. I will then remove the old bag gently. I will dispose of the contents in the proper waste bin, but for this video, I'm also going to be using this bag again, so I'm going to put it to the side. I will then be removing the old plate, so I will be gently pulling the backing towards the ostomy to make sure skin integrity is intact still. And then for the purpose of this video, I'll be putting this to the side. I will then be cleaning the area with warm water and an improved solution. From inward outward, I will then dispose of that properly. I will then be assessing the ostomy and the skin integrity. I will make sure that the ostomy is beefy red, there's no odor, no discoloration. If there's a little bit of bleeding, that is okay, but if there's a lot of bleeding, I will notify the provider. I will then get my ostomy guide and I will measure for the proper guide. Let's see. I will get my plate and then I will put it to where I would cut out the hole. I've already did the cutting before this video. I will then get my dry cloth and I will dry the area from inward outward, and then I will dispose of that properly. I will then get my adhesive cream, apply it around the stoma and let it dry. And then as that's drying, I will get my ring, I will remove the backing, and I will place it on the patient and make sure that it is secure. I will then get the new ostomy bag and I will place it on and make sure that it clicks, that it's in place. I will, if the patient's able to, have them just hold over the ostomy for a couple of seconds to ensure that the adhesive is sticky. I will make sure that the clamps are clamped. And then I will just clean up my supplies. I will remove my dirty gloves and dispose of those in the proper waste. I will position the patient in a comfortable position. Ms. Smith, we're done here. Do you have any questions for me before I leave? Okay, here's your call light, and then I will perform hand hygiene and I will go outside and document my procedure.